Hey everybody, welcome to Thinking Nation's Best Practice Repository. Today we are going to talk about the why behind the curated research papers. First, it should be noted that curated research papers are similar to the document-based questions seen on the advanced placement test. If you are familiar with the document-based questions, then you will understand the structure and purpose of the curated research paper. Second, the reason they are called curated research papers is because Thinking Nation underwent a branding exercise where we decided to highlight our unique brand. Although the CRP is like a DBQ, Thinking Nation has added unique aspects to the CRPs that make them different than the traditional DBQ. Our CRPs focus more on tapping into the background knowledge of the students, making connections to the topic in today's world, and providing scaffolds and structures that allow teachers and students to build towards the writing process. Now let's turn to the why behind the curated research papers. The acronym for the curated research papers that you will see throughout our units is CRPs. CRPs in the social studies classroom have significant benefits. First, engaging with research paper teaches students how to analyze and interpret information, fostering critical thinking skills. Additionally, the students are able to hone in on specific historical thinking skills identified and aligned to each CRP. Second, students gain exposure to scholarly work and its methodology, which helps them understand the standards and expectations of academic research. Third, CRPs often present comprehensive details and in-depth analysis of specific topics. This exposure can deepen the student's understanding and appreciation of the subject matter, offering insights that textbooks or simple resources might not cover. A CRP turns the adage, a mile wide and an inch deep, on its head. Fourth, working with CRPs can improve the student's informational literacy, helping them identify credible sources and distinguish between different types of evidence. Fifth, CRPs help students actively engage with what they are learning. In traditional classroom, students receive content and they regurgitate that content on test. A CRP challenges students to grapple with the complexity of history. As the prolific writer John Green stated, history is too complex for any one way of looking to suffice. Finally, analyzing and discussing research paper prepares students for the type of writing and thinking required in college and in higher education. They learn the importance of structuring an argument, supporting it with evidence, and adhering to academic standards. All our CRPs can be done on our platform and are graded using generative AI. In the next video, we will explore how you can assign a CRP and how to get your students to use this vital and academic and life skills.